Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you that how to make the multi-masking design in Illustrator. So let's start the video. First of all, I place this picture and just drag it to make it bigger. Then hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for my upcoming videos. Hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy of this shape. Select this shape by holding the Shift key and then make compound paths. Now also select the picture and make clipping mask. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for my upcoming videos, as well as follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, and I will be right back with another amazing video and I hope that you will enjoy this video.